phone holder for the car and tape it right here. So I can control it.
Yeah.
I'll have you follow that. It's just on my tripod right now.
Oh, I see. Oh, what?
I got a tripod right here. As a matter of fact, go to the right, John.
You said you had a trailer hit somewhere. Didn't you let them pack the cigarettes or something?
Yeah.
Hopefully it was over there.
You can fucking buy one, man. $5-10 bucks.
Wrapped around me.
So to see what's wrong is the carburetor.
See, the alternator goes to the carburetor. And the carburetor goes up to the wobberdoodle. The ding fang dangle.
Big spat. Just the hose water in the big bat.
Choice of words there, because the ding bat goes up to the wombat. And out comes the hoozy one. Oh.
She's in there. She's in the water right now. All right, we're gonna set her on high ground and we'll mess around with her off camera. She was in there.
We'll leave that